Hello everybody, welcome to Take It Easy. So the Lenovo Z5 Pro or Z5 Pro, is this just another bezel-less or notchless phone? The short answer is no. But why? First of all, it is a slider phone. As we all know, slider phones are the phones of the past. Nowadays, you probably won't find anyone using a slider phone, but maybe many of you probably know that slider phones are making a comeback. All of a sudden, 3 slider phones have been launched. All those 3 phones are actually made by Chinese companies and not Samsung or Apple. The smartphone companies are trying to reach their goal of 100% screen-to-body ratio, but of course that is not an easy job. Hiding that earpiece front camera and those sensors are not as easy as it may sound. So different companies are taking different approach to solve this problem. Previously, we have already seen that Oppo and Vivo launched their version of the notchless phone, and those phones had motorized camera sliders, and not many people actually like moving parts in their smartphones. So some other companies thought, let's make the camera slider manual. You have to slide the camera manually towards up or down. In fact, you have to slide the screen down to access the camera that is fixed with the rest of the body. Reason number 2. This is a big one. The price starts from just $290 US. Yes, you heard that right. Just $290 US. Unlike the other ones, which start from almost $500 US. The Lenovo Z5 Pro has a 6.39-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, and we all know that AMOLED screens are very good in terms of viewing angle, saturation, color reproduction and everything. It also has 6 GB of RAM, a 3350 mAh battery, and wait for it, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and under the glass or in-display fingerprint sensor. So what are the compromises? Well, this phone has Qualcomm's mid-range Snapdragon 710 chipset. This chipset is very new in the market, but the performance it provides is more than enough for most day-to-day usage scenarios, and of course it can play most of the games, almost all of them. The Z5 Pro also has Dolby Atmos support, and again they have decided to skip the 3.5mm audio jack. Yes, there is only one USB-C port in this phone. I think it is time for us to accept the truth that the world is going towards headphone jackless phones. It has dual cameras on the back, and they are very good, at least on paper. One of them is 16 megapixels and the other one is 24 megapixels, and both are f1.8. The back camera also use AI mode and pixel binning for those awesome low light pictures. You can record 4K videos using the back cameras, but unfortunately there is no slow-mo. When you slide the screen down, you can access its front cameras, and it is a 16 megapixels f2.2 camera. There is also an 8 megapixel IR camera, and of course because of that infrared camera there is face unlock, and Lenovo claims that their face unlock is far better than the others. And at last, the most weird thing that I don't like about this phone, the earpiece is actually present between the front camera and the infrared camera, and of course that part is actually behind the screen. So whenever you are getting a call, you have to slide the screen down to receive the call and hear whatever the other person is saying over the call. Well, if you are ready for that sacrifice, then there is a little more sacrifice that you have to make. This phone is a little bit thicker than the other ones. Of course, it is not the thickest smartphone in the market, but it is 9.3 millimeters thick, which is thicker than the other sliding smartphones. But it is not too bad. Lenovo has already started taking pre-orders for this phone. The 64GB version starts from 1998 yuan or $290 US, or almost 20,000 Indian rupees, and the 128GB version goes for 2298 yuan or 330 US dollars or almost 23,000 rupees. One last thing that I would like to mention is that if you are planning to import this phone in other countries from China, for now it is only available in China. You should check the LTE bands that this phone supports. So if you liked the video or if you found the video interesting and informative, do hit that like button, and if you are not subscribed yet, do hit that red subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay notified. You can also click on the big round channel icon somewhere on the screen to subscribe to take it easy. If you have any queries or questions, just comment it down there. Share this video with your friends and family. So guys, that's it for this video. Have a great time and I will see you in the next video.